One of my most favorite traditions has always been the party. Those rollicking family parties, the way people used to make them, back before anybody ever went to a restaurant or a catering hall, back when everybody celebrated at home. Back when those celebrations all centered around the table. And everybody came to that table. I nonni, great aunts and uncles, cousins and more cousins, and cousins on top of cousins, and cousins that weren't even really related to you, but you called them cousin anyway, because everybody belonged. And these were times of great mirth and times of love. So I hope that these memories and emotions and images are what you take from this song. And I hope this song becomes your new tradition. See you here on November 2nd.
Yeah, so that's where we met.
We were dating.
The coffee you enjoyed?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well,
And we never went out for time.
No, I can make that at home.
once in a while, right?